Just picked up this 27. I'm done putting it all together. Nice big drawers. It just came in about 2 weeks ago. So this was my first box. Got this as a gift. Then I went to this 5 drawer. As you can see, these are all stuffed. I put one of those, put that drawer in there, all that stuff in there. This is what I did so far. So far I got. I think what I'm gonna do for the rest. 27-inch. This is the 5 drawer. They're both good for the money. This one costs $360. This one costs $227. We'll go with this one if you only had under $250 to spend, and I'll go with this one if you had $400 to spend. Cleared out a lot of. I cleared out a lot of these drawers. Cleared out a lot of these ones. Still got these two. Sure, I'm gonna keep them with this. Might reorganize them. Just trying to get them in there for now.